So before we get into today's video, we do want to let you guys know that this is a sponsored video. This was a product sent to us to test and review, to share with you guys, and we hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, we're doing a full review on the WowCatch fly trap today. So we have had a little bit of a problem with gnats in this house, so we are definitely going to go ahead and do with the unboxing at the beginning of this full-on review of everything that comes in this box, what it's capable of doing, and seeing how it can benefit us here in the kitchen. Especially now since we've got everything organized and everything where it needs to go. So we're opening up and we are introduced with a tiny little pamphlet of instructions. The fact that it comes with simple instructions like this makes it very easy for us to look into, quick read, and even not necessary to read. We can just look at the images, which I will have a screenshot of it, much more close up in detail of exactly what the step-by-step process on how easy it is to install. Now they also do have a warranty with it. They are guaranteeing 100% satisfaction, and it comes with a 2-year limited warranty after purchase. This product is definitely taking that next step in customer service with providing y'all with a warranty for 2 years on that. They have also provided a QR code on the instruction manual that comes with it and making it very easy to do. So we're taking it straight out of the box, super simple. Got the front face for the light, the UV light here, and it has the protector here on the 2 prongs. It's got 80 to 240 volts with 60 hertz, and it's a very, very simple process. All you got to do is just plug it in. We're probably going to plug it into the top one, so it gives us access to the bottom plug, and it already comes preloaded with a sticky trap here on the back. So it's a very simple process. Go ahead and remove the plastic on the sticky part, and then just plug and play, and we will document how it does over the next 2-3 days. So what we're going to go ahead and do is take off the plastic on the sticky part, and it is fully ready to go. And matter of fact, take a look at that. Got an ant right here already. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in, slide the cover over the top, and that automatically activates us. What I really like, it's a safety feature to have with that UV light, because you definitely don't want to get blinded by that UV, and you know, don't look into direct UV. It's just not good for you. So it's ready to go. It's got the UV light on the back side, has the shield on the front, so it covers from that. Safe for pets, safe for kids. And again, it's got that safety feature where you can remove it and it automatically turns off that UV light, which I really like. And simple as plug it there, it's ready to go. And we will come back in 2 days to see how it does. And stay tuned. It's a hard plastic too. It's not some soft thing. And it does come with some replacement pieces in the set. So we will have some for a couple weeks, not a couple days, a couple weeks. And the cool thing about this, it actually looks like a decorative piece that it's actually supposed to be there, and it's not actually an insect trap. You would never guess that this was an insect trap unless you knew exactly what it was, you know what the brand was, and know what the product does. Honestly, this looks good and actually kind of works well, and gives me an idea to put some sticker covers of Halloween decorations on this, and you would never be able to tell, with it being like that blacklight style, that it wasn't a decorative Halloween piece. All right, the WowCatch has been doing its magic for the last 3 days. The wonderful thing about this is it actually definitely looks like a piece that's supposed to be here for design, and it actually doubles as a night light as well. It's actually come in handy a couple times, and there is nothing more beautiful than knowing not only is it providing just a little bit of light here in the kitchen to come turn on one of the other lights, but in that process, it is also catching some bugs and some gnats and things like that. And I'm really starting to appreciate the safety feature of it actually when it comes off, that it automatically turns off. That is actually a really unique and cool feature that I didn't expect to be involved with something like this. And there's plenty of stuff here. Make sure you guys do check out the link in the description box below for the website. But for you guys to pick up the WowCatch, make sure you guys check out the link. It is available right now for you guys to purchase. 1 device, 4 glue cards in a box for a very good price. So while I have to find the plug extension, I am actually going to put it here in the garage, see how much it catches in here, to actually get an idea of how many spiders, gnats, flies actually come into here while this garage door is closed 95% of the time we're here. So let's take this into account and look into what's going to happen for tonight and check back tomorrow. All right, we did end up leaving it out here for an extra day over the weekend. We have been having a pretty busy weekend with markets and my brother's surprise birthday. See what we got going on. And as you can tell, it has been catching some critters. Look at that. Look at all that it's caught. It's doing exactly what it's designed to do while keeping these critters at bay. We are bringing this back inside. We did test it outside in the garage to see what it's capable of doing, and it's doing pretty fair in this area. We do have it set up here again for it to be back in the house. Really excited to see it do its job over the next couple weeks, catching as much as it possibly can. Now, as we finish up doing our couple days of testing, we are looking forward to seeing what it can catch all in 1 month span of it being here in the house. So if you guys want to see kind of a little overview of that every once in a while, check out our weekly vlog series here on the channel, as well as a couple notes that we want to get into, you guys. It doesn't have any odors. It's a great product to showcase a little bit of light at night for you guys to have in the house. So it's like the perfect night light. It's not overbearing. It's not too much, but it is there, and it's there for a purpose. It's there to actually catch gnats, mosquitoes, little bugs around the house that you wouldn't think that you would need to do, and it just does it, and it fits perfectly as a decor right there anywhere you need it in the house. It can work in your living room. It can work in your kitchen. I prefer the kitchen because gnats are normally around fruits and things like that, and this will definitely eliminate that more over the long span of it being there. Another thing that's a highlight, it's kid friendly, it's pet friendly, and it's easy to understand and use. And it's got a little safety feature of removing it off the light and then putting it back on, and then it gets activated. Now, if you guys are looking to purchase the WowCatch, it is a low cost item, and it is linked in the description box below. As you guys know, on this channel, we like to be transparent with you guys. We do get a small kickback from that, so really do appreciate all of you guys who are purchasing this item, and it's going to have many benefits for you guys in your home if you have gnat problems, insect problems, things like that. We do really appreciate you guys checking out this video and this review, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.